Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a cabinet organization. It's so sad. Literally, we've been in this house almost 2 years and I have not touched these cabinets in terms of organization. I just threw everything in there and it's just been sitting there since we moved in, and I really need to organize everything so that it works for our family. Also guys, this video is in collaboration with my new friend here on YouTube, Cleosha. She is amazing. She is a mother, she's a wife, she works outside of the home, and if you love cleaning videos and watching someone clean their home, you are going to love her. So once you're finished here, please go over to her channel and show her some love and let her know in the comment section that I sent you, because she is doing amazing. She's killing it here over on YouTube, and I'm just so proud of her. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Some trouble when he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
So the first cabinet that I organized was my spice. That little spice rack from Walmart, amazing, amazing. If you do want it, get it. It is so good. It's really good. It's changed my life. I need to find a little turntable situation around one that can fit in my cabinet to house all my medicine on the top, and that cabinet should be done. Second cabinet up is this cabinet right here that houses all of my Raiden mugs. Excuse me. That cabinet was a hot mess. When I tell you a hot mess, when we moved in, I just threw everything in there and just kind of closed the door, because I was just stressed out from having so much. Too much of one thing is never good, but I love collecting Raiden. If you do, comment down below and let me know that I'm not alone. I no longer collect Raiden because they don't make them like they used to. So I'm not on the hunt for anything. I will cherish the pieces that I do have, but other than that, it's just material things, and the people that are in your life are what matters the most. If you hear from Cleosha channel, welcome. My name is Janice. For my regular viewers, I love you guys. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you are, give this video a big thumbs up And I'm gonna let you guys go and enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Or I'll probably come back on here and explain something else to you guys, because I think there's a drawer that's coming up that I have to explain. It's not messy, it's the drawer that houses the kids' stuff for their lunches. It's not messy, I just needed to, I like to stay on top of that drawer. I take pride in that drawer. I love that, like the way that I organized that drawer. It was the first drawer that I ever organized. I'm rambling.
Take you there. Now you know why I had to go. I still love you. I hope you know. Can't deny the truth. We were never meant to be. Sorry I had to leave. Oh.
Guys, this cabinet was a pain. It was a pain. I contemplated whether or not I wanted to record this, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to stick it out. I started it. I'm going to finish it. But these little things that I got to hold pot lids, it was not working out. No matter how much I rearrange, pull things, it just was not working out. And my autistic son, he's in charge of dishes, drying and putting them away, and I know for a fact that this is not going to work for him. For him, it has to be simple. It's just real simple, and this is not simple. It's complicated because the pot lids does not hold the pot lids. It just wants to fall over, and I know my teenagers, they're not going to have the patience to sit here and try to figure out how this works. It's just not going to happen. In the future, I want to get pull-outs for the bottom cabinets. That way we can access things. But for right now, for this video, it works. But, man, it was hard. It was really hard. Test my patience a little bit, but got it to work in the end. Anyways, Cleosha. Thank you so much for doing this video with me. It was fun. If you're here from Cleosha's channel, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. To my regular viewers, you guys are amazing. You rock all day long. If you're new, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
I wish that you were here to give me everything I want.